What's up, everybody? I'm back with another tool deals video. Today we have some deals coming from Direct Tools. We got one from Amazon and the rest from Home Depot. So let's go ahead and get into it. Direct Tools has a deal this week on Ridgid tools. All right. So here's the main page. I'll leave that there for something there you want to see. It's only 16 deals really because again, I only shop 15 now. That was weird. It was 16. I only shop factory blemished. Okay, so I don't recommend doing the factory reconditioned. I've heard nothing but nightmares about the reconditioned stuff from Direct Tools, but the factory blemished stuff is brand new. It's going to qualify for the LSA, so the lifetime service agreement, which is not a warranty. Okay, it's not a warranty. There are laws. If you use the word warranty, there are laws that force you to honor it. A lifetime service agreement, on the other hand, it's up to the discretion of Ridgid. But anyway, they do qualify for that. Otherwise, it's a 3-year warranty. But let's get into the deals that I thought were pretty good. So you have this subcompact impact wrench, and I heard this was actually boo-boo. But $82.49 for the kit. This looks like a 4 amp hour battery. I really couldn't tell. I think it's a 2 though. Yeah, it's a 2 amp hour battery. The tool is just that small. I heard the vibration on this thing was horrible. And it produces 225 foot-pounds of torque. Now, that's plenty enough to handle your, small little nuts and bolts on cars. It'll definitely do lug nuts. And, that's about it. But I heard this was bad. But again, for $82, I'll probably try it. Just remember that Direct Tools charges $15 for shipping. Okay? So keep that in mind. Moving on, we have this impact driver kit. It's $89.99. And it's weird because don't get this one. All right? So it's a subcompact impact driver. It does 1,800 inch pounds of torque. Comes with a 2 amp hour battery, charger, and a bag, right? But check this one out. This is also a kit. It doesn't come with a bag though. It's $74.99, $89.99, $15 difference. But this is the newer, more powerful one. 2,300 inch pounds of torque. Sorry, I just had a pop-up from Apple. They would not let me finish this video, and I had to sign in. Jesus, I forgot what I was saying. Anyway, this is the more powerful one. It doesn't come with a bag. The only thing is, it's not available to ship to home. Bummer. So if you live near one, I will probably go check this out. Otherwise, this almost doesn't even seem that great anymore at $89.99. So I'll probably skip this one personally because this is a much better deal. Moving on, this is also not available for ship to home. And this is the Gen X5. What was it? Gen 5X? It was a Gen 5X. And the specs on this thing, on these tools, are pretty respectable at 780 inch pounds for the hammer drill, and it looks really cool. And then the impact driver, I believe, provides 2,000 inch pounds. The thing is, this is like 2 versions ago, and it comes with this real fast charger, which I haven't seen in a long time. And these batteries, I don't know what kind of batteries these are. These are not, obviously, they're not the new high output ones. Maybe they're the old high output ones. I have no idea. But again, this is not available for ship to home. But it is a curious bunch. And, they're powerful tools. The newer ones are more powerful. But I don't know, man. This looks like it even has a LED ring around the... It does. The LED ring around the drill. I've never seen it. Their new ones don't have this. I really like this. I prefer this over the old one. Yeah, Hyper. The older high output batteries. Man, I wish I lived nearby one because I would probably go grab these just to fool around with them. I like it. So if you live near one, I go check that out. Last, this is available to be shipped to home. The framing nailer, it's $209.99, 40% off. And I pulled it up at Home Depot. I don't have it up anymore, but the 209 is This $349 is legit. This is quite a bit money off. So, and the reviews are great. The only complaints I really saw about it was that it's a little heavy, and that was pretty much it. So, there we have it for direct tools. Now, I'm going to be answering a question for Philip J. Fry over in the Milwaukee Tool Deals group. He was looking for a multi-tool, and he said if I can find a deal on the M18 one with the battery, that'd be awesome. If not, I'll stick with the M12 since I have several M12 batteries. Has to be fuel. Well, Philip, I want to say the M12 is better than the M18. One, it doesn't have the big bulk of the battery on the end, so it's more versatile. You can get in more places. Plus, the M12 has slightly less vibration than the M18. Now, the M18 has that auto feature, but I don't use that. I mean, maybe you do. I don't know. I don't use that, though. It doesn't work that well to me. But the M12 is better. And right now, Home Depot has it. Let me pull it up for you. Home Depot, $85.20. You're not getting better than that, dude. $85.20. That starter kit deal that they have going on. I don't know what's going on at Home Depot right now. It's not showing pictures of nothing. But yeah, you buy this kit, you get to choose any of this stuff for free. And most of you who watch my videos, you already seen me talk about this, but this came out September 5th. You get this for free. You can choose the oscillating tool, and boom, it comes out to be $85.20 if you don't want the batteries. But I will say though, these are two 6 amp hour XC batteries and a charger. So maybe you might want to consider keeping it. It's up to you. I don't know. But it's a good deal on the whole kit and caboodle there. So moving on, we have a couple more deals. This soldering iron station. Check this out. This deal comes courtesy from our group, from Tool Deals. This comes courtesy of Joseph Kane. My boys found this at Home Depot for 1 cent. I mean, what's the tax on this, dude? Nothing? What do they charge you for tax? Yeah, nothing. So, you know, you can, and he left the BrickSeek link too. I appreciate that, dude. So what you do, you put in your zip code and see if any of the stores have them. Obviously, all the ones I checked in Atlanta, like DC, Chicago area, St. Louis area. I ain't check out on the West Coast, but most of all the stuff is out of stock. But here's what you can do. All right, you can still go to the website. They're available to be shipped to home. They have great reviews. So what you do, if you were interested in getting this for a penny, which I might do because, I mean, a penny, I would buy this and ship it to home, right? Once you get it shipped to home, what you do is take it back to one of these Home Depots that says it's on clearance, right? And now you gotta, if you don't want it for 112, then obviously fine. But you take it back to one of those stores and you say, hey, I would like to return and rebuy this. I saw that the price dropped, and so I want to get it at the new price. So they'll say, oh, okay. So they'll return it, and then they'll ring it back up for you, and it should show up a penny or whatever the clearance price is. But that's what it should show up, a penny for you. And customer service might look at you like you scammed or something going on. That happened to me last year. Matter of fact, with the Dewalt bandsaw. I took it back up there and told them that. I said, look, this is way cheaper now. I want to return it and rebuy it, and I told them that. And the girl was confused, so confused at how it was ringing up free. She had to call somebody up there. Dude came, he was like, oh, he ain't doing nothing. He just robbing us legally. Man, this dude know how to shop. So anyway, yeah, so they'll do that with you there on this as well. So there you go. So that's how you do it. And if it rings up 112 or they're being weird, just take it back with you and go to another Home Depot. So there you have that. Next up, we have on this deal comes courtesy of Stephen Hodges. All right, so we have this DeWalt impact socket set. It's a 10-piece, but it's not 10 sockets though. They always try to do stuff like that. So what they did was include 2 adapters, and the adapters kind of look the same size, don't they? Yeah, it just says it includes 2 of these adapters, and they look to be the same size to me. So, that sucks. But these probably will, they're going to snap at some point if you're using them a lot. So maybe that's why they give you 2. But I hear the sockets themselves are pretty good, and I appreciate anything with a case. I don't know why all these things don't come with cases, man. So there you have that, $34.98, lowest price in 30 days. Actually been the lowest price in the past 6 months. So Honey is saying it's a price increase. It's saying that's $84.80. I don't know where they're getting that from, but yeah, it's the cheapest it's been in the past 6 months. And finally, I wanted to just show you guys, if you're looking for a cheap oscillating tool, you can pick up this Milwaukee M12 non-fuel oscillating tool, $59.77. I'll leave the link. Obviously, buy one get one with the battery. You know that whole deal right there. $99 free battery. Or if you don't want the battery, it becomes $59.77. It's the same thing. I showed you guys another deal similar to this a few days ago with the Jigsaw, the M12 Jigsaw that was non-fuel. It's also $59.77. I'll leave a link to that as well. So that's it for today's video. Hopefully it was helpful, and I'll see you guys next time.